let's take a moment and talk about Maximo and reliability. A common question is, well, how does Maximo make us more reliable, or how does it drive reliability? And out of box, Maximo is not built to do either one of those things, because Maximo is not built with a book of processes that are defined within it. Maximo is a blank canvas that has a lot of applications and screens configured to allow you to manage your assets and the life cycle, including things like your spare parts, your PM plans, your job plans, your bill of materials, so on and so forth, in tremendous detail. But what it doesn't do is slap a process on you, so to speak. And reliability is all about your practices and processes, which means Maximo is completely compatible with what you are doing in your reliability program. And it's ready, sitting there, to embrace those practices and processes and help you enforce them as well. But they're not built into it. And this is also what makes Maximo a very powerful tool across numerous industries out there. It's not built to work one way for one given industry. And so when we look at Maximo and we say, well, how does Maximo help me become more reliable? The way Maximo helps you become more reliable is it allows you to very simply collect the right data at the right time in your asset management process, so that you are building a history of data that drives future reliability. You don't need to capture a lot of data, you just need to capture the right data. And the right data is defined in your reliability practices and processes. Maximo is ready for that. We have a lot of experience helping organizations implement their reliability practices in Maximo, so that Maximo then is driven to capture those data points and not a bunch of, frankly, unnecessary data. But capture what's really important. Capture what becomes usable. Capture what will help you drive your organization to a more cost-effective operation. Love to hear your thoughts, questions, comments on this. This is deep water, and it's a lot of fun to dig into it. So leave your comments below.